Let us see the next warm-up. So I want you to go to this file and let me collapse my sidebar. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to prompt the user to enter the name, and after we have the name, I simply want you to print out its length. For example, if we have a sample input of Octallium, then I would like you to print out a message saying that Octallium is 9 characters long. So let's see how we can do this. Let me go a little up. We can first take the input saying the name is equal to input. Again, if you want, you can have a prompt message. If you don't want, you can simply skip it. Just for the sake of this video, let me put a prompt message. So I can say, please enter your name. And on the next line, we can simply print out a message. We can use our formatted string, and let me use my curlies. So I can say name, and we can say is. To get the length, we can say I want to know the length of my name, and then we can say characters long. That's it. Let us save and let us run this file. So it's saying that please enter your name. So my name is Octallium, and we have the output Octallium is 9 characters long.